Addressing a World Press Conference, the Labour Party 2023 presidential candidate, Mr. Peter Obi, said the Supreme Court ignored rigging, identity theft, forgery, perjury, and does not represent the stand of our Constitution. Obi said,
"Our mission has been more about anchoring a new Nigeria, and it remains unchanged. It is a nation where things will work, where the country will be led from its present waste and consumption orientation to a production-driven economy. Our commitment is to a nation anchored on principles of prudent management of resources, to quickly pull millions out of multidimensional poverty."
While responding to the verdict, Obi said the judgment amounts to a breach of confidence Nigerians have in our judiciary. To that extent, it is a show of unreasonable force against the very Nigeria people from whom the power of the Nigerian citizens is drawn.
Both INEC and Supreme Court, as referees respectively, shifted the goalposts in the middle of the game. Where the value and import of INEC and recent Supreme Court ruling ends is where our commitment to a new Nigeria begins.
Obi's rejection of the Supreme Court verdict comes after Atiku Abubakar, the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), also rejected the verdict. Abubakar, in a World Press Conference on October 30, said the Supreme Court verdict was a travesty of justice. He said the verdict would have negative consequences for Nigerian democracy. The Supreme Court had, on October 26, upheld the election of Tinubu as president. Tinubu had been declared the winner of February 25 presidential election by the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC). However, Obi and Abubakar challenged the result of the election. The Supreme Court dismissed the petition of both candidates, saying that they had not provided sufficient evidence to support their claim. Praise Irabo, reporting for BTV News.